university IDs to the students in their second year, to the most of the students in their second year and all the students in year one. It is very absurd that these people do these things and then they come out and claim that students are hooligans. I think we have named and we have shown you who the hooligans are in this university, and we shall continue. And we shall continue to demand of the university to show respect to the students. One, we are also stuck on our demands, because every demand that we are given, or that we have given to them before sitting with them, whereas we are going there to see whether they are ready to adhere to our demands so that we sit with them.
I don't think.
Whereas we are going there to sit, some of us are going there to see whether indeed they are adhering to our 4 demands before we meet. It is very, very absurd that the university continues to lie to the nation. We appeal to the public and we appeal to our parents that this is not our fight alone. This is not a fight for our young siblings alone. This is a fight for your grandchildren. This is a fight for your great-grandchildren. We are seeking for your support. We once again want to call upon the President of Uganda, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, to come and save this situation, because it is very absurd, and we want you to imagine ourselves if you are a student, given your background, and the background, yes, your background that we have read about. If you are a student at university in these times, with the parents you had then, would you afford the kind of education that the university wants to say to us? We are very sure that your answer is indeed no. And it is on such a background that we are also opposing whatever the university is trying to put across. The university has also accused our sister, who is now in coma as we speak, for being a trickster, that she's trying to campaign for Musa seat. It is very regrettable that the people we respect in the university can actually go ahead and harass a student, get people to beat her up, suspend her from the university. She is bedridden for 1 week in coma, and the university still has guts to come out and say that this girl is pretending in a hospital like of Mengo's stature. We think that is very regrettable. The university administrators should refrain themselves from shaming us as a university. You cannot say that somebody in the intensive care unit is pretending, is acting as a trickster. It is very regrettable. Otherwise, we shall not give up our demands. We shall not give up our fight for not only quality education, but also affordable education for the generations to come. Thank you very much.
Luganda.
Tuvumirira nese kuvumirira ekikolwa kya university amakya ga leero okulemesa abayizi. Tuvumirira nese kuvumirira olunaku lwa leero ekikolwa kya university okulemesa abayizi okuyingira mu university, ddala ng'ate bakimanyi bulungi nti abayizi ab'omwaka ogwokubiri tebabawa university IDs, era nga bakimanyi bulungi nti abayizi abali mwaka ogusooka bo tebannawunya Fred
oyo mugobe Julius umutwale
those are people the university sends among us to behave like that. Now you see, they send people among us to behave like that. Fred to disorganizing oba university yakutumye Fred banaye Fred neisa si yapa abayizi okujjako nga unless nga waliwo ababasindisiza ba university. It is very regrettable. University eremeseza abayizi mu mwaka ogusooka n'ogwokubiri okusingira ddala okwaccessinga university premises olunaku olwaleero yadde nga bakimanyi bulungi nti abayizi bano tebannabawa university IDs. Tulowooza nti ekyo kikolwa kya buswavu, kikolwa kya butiitiizi, era balina ovaayo n'ekiwandiiko beetondera abayizi. Tulowooza nti eno embeera yes tukolera mu kutiisibwatiisibwa naye embeera gye batutaddemu si yeekola ki, tetugenda kukkiriza kutuula n'abatuutu. Demands zaffe zeezo era mu zo zetwakoze ennya buli omu erina ensonga ezizikwalifayinga. Ababadde bakuba abayizi tubamanyi, n'ababadde babaleeta n'ababakuliramu, so tetusobola kutuula n'abantu babadde bakuliramu kutukuba, abantu abakuliddemu okuleeta amagye mu kumenya abayizi, mu kukuba abayizi abalina obulemu, mu kukuba abaana ab'obuwala n'ebirala, ate tutuule nabo bateeseze university ku nsonga ezibadde zituluma. Tulowooza nti kikola kya buswavu university bwebanga tekkiriza kukola ki, naye tuwekaminga good gesture eya university okulaga nti eyagala otuula naffe, kubanga ate ekituufu bajja kubakakasa nti obukulembeze bwaffe bwe buto bwe bukola, tubadde tukolera nnyo mu dialogue okujjako nga tulemeseddwa. Omukulembeze w'eggwanga twagala okumukubira omulango okutakungula nti yeteeke mu bigere byaffe mu kiseera bwe yali omwana omuto oba bwe yali ku university. Singa abadde mu university mu biseera bino nga bazadde be ebiseera ebyo era be bazadde be nakati, ye yandisobodde ebisale bya university tumukubira omulanga, tumuwandikidde amabaluwa mangi, naye tufunye information nti gabadde tegamutuukako nga university administration ekozesa omukono ogw'enjawulo ne bagafuna ne bagajjayo. Twagala omukakasa nti ensonga eno twatandika ogimuwandiikirako mu mwezi gwa Kutaano, ebbaluwa zino lwakuba zibadde tezimutuukako, ffe nga twakiraba nti abayizi kibanyigiriza, abayizi kibamazeeko emirembe. Tusaba bazadde baffe yonna gye bali bongere okuyimirira naffe, bongere okuyimirira naffe wamu n'okuyimirira ku mazima, kuba leero muli omu akimanyi gano ge mazima. Mwebale nnyo, Mukama abawe omukisa.
You're supposed to be meeting management now.
Yes.
Why are you here?
There is a team. Well, as I am guild president, we have a team of students leaders. Some of us, people like me, have chosen to stay back from this, but there is a delegation led by the guild speaker and the vice guild president who have gone to see whether management is indeed committed to meeting us, and how they are going to show commitment is the response they are going to give to our letter. So we have gone to see the vice guild president and the guild speaker as I speak already in the university, and they are in for the meeting to see whether these people are going to respect our demands, and should they fail to adhere to our simple humble demands. I want to give them assurance that that will be a sign that they are not willing to sit with us.
You and management have agreed to meet at your meeting. Yes. Keep away.
I think my words were not ambiguous. They were very clear.
If they have come late.
We are going to check. Our conditions are very clear. And the team has gone there to check on whether they have responded on our demands so that we sit. Should they fail to meet our demands, we shall not sit with them. It is very regrettable. The university secretary olwaleero alabiddwako ku TV kumakya nga receiving. University secretary is also a former guild president. So tutegeera bulungi nti amanye embeera gye tuyitamu. Era yayogedde ate nga ye secretary wa council era yavunaanyizibwa ku biwandiiko ebisinga. So university secretary yakyatudde n'omumwa gwe nti ebbaluwa bagirina.
Nsonga ki z'owa gundi management yawandiikidde gwe mutwe omunene. Nsonga ki gy'owa obutagenda mu eyo. Yes, at 2 because they were expecting you as their head. So nsonga ki z'owa
nga tubadde n'ensonga endala ze tulina okwasaganya n'abantu abalala abakulu abalala ababadde batuyita okuva ku Lwomukaaga. So ate nga nabo beetaaga obudde bwaffe, ate nga nabo bajja tuyambako okwarestinga ensonga eyo. So tulowooza nti kyamakulu abantu bano okubakola ki okubawa obudde bwaffe. So ffe betugenda okulaba naye tiimu gye tusindiseyo naye tugyesiga kubanga eriko vice president who is also a council member on behalf of the students, kuliko ne guild speaker akulira olukiiko lwaffe, chairperson w'olukiiko lwaffe olw'abayizi.
How safe are you? How is your security?
Our security, we are not secure at all. As I speak, no student leader sleeps in their homes. Yeah, today morning, while I was proceeding to record TV, they tried to grab me. I just survived because I was passing around Mulago. So I entered into one of the hostels, students' hostels. So they failed to lay their hands on me. But that does not mean, because we are representing the marginalized majority and we are their voice. It is on such background that whereas we fear for our lives, we cannot fear for the future of this nation.
And what are you going to do if the demands are not met? What is the future looking like?
The modus operandi, the status quo has been the same, so we shall proceed as we have been proceeding if they do not adhere to our demands.
Are you saying you're going to proceed with the strike?
Yes.
Of course. It is not a strike, it is a simple demonstration. It is the police and the military that stands it violent. Singa management eremwa okutuwuliriza ku demand zaffe ze twagiwadde ennya ate nga zonna zirina background ne basis lwaki twazisabye bwe tujja kugenda maaso n'okulaga obutali bumativu bwaffe mu ngeri gye tubadde tubulaga. Naye I'm not going with you guys.
Can I just take a picture?